lakini natafuta kiti ambayo imekaliwa kwa sasa hivi na ndugu yangu Sifuna. Si mlisema Sifuna pande juu? Mnampandisha juu? Akipanda mtanipea? Wangapi wananipea kiti ya Nairobi Senator? Your Excellency, kura zangu ziko hapa. Sasa wewe unipeti kiti ya DCP because DCP is the most popular party in Kenya. Pigia chama makofi.
Amen.
Nataka niseme hivi, moja tu. Sisi kama vijana lazima tukue kwa debe. Tumeamua, we've decided that we must capture power. We must take power. We must consolidate power. We must dominate power. We must control power. And we can only do all those things through one party. That is DCP. Sema DCP. Tena CP. Ya mwisho DCP. Asanteni sana.
Thank you. The family of my friend Kanini Kega, Your Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, hamjambo nyote. Njitagwo King'ori wa Wanjohi kuma itura riri. Your Excellency, this village is called Muthoini. Your Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, this village is known for producing member of parliaments. Hapa Neimba, Your Excellency, mahali Kanini Kega amezaliwa ndio mahali Munene Kairũ ametoka. So itura riri niriuikaine na kuruta atongoria njamba. Na tondu nie nderire my brother Kanini Kega aume kieni giki nigetha ndigirwo aciari arathie kieni giki aciari aya maraugire itura riri tingikara ritari mutongoria. Na tondu itura riri nindakwira wega nirio ria Munene wa Kairũ na nirio ria Kanini na aciari aya maraugire itura riri tingikara ritari mutongoria manjirire riu ni nie senator wao wa Nyeri. And Your Excellency, because you are here na nidirona moderator haha, there is a question that moderator has been asking. Atiwe King'ori, hii maneno ya nywele imetoka wapi? Moderator, I want to answer your question today. Mucera na mukundu akundu kagotake. Niĩ njeraga na mundu gwitwo Methu na ndari haha. Gacoka ngacera na mundu gwitwo Karungo Athang'wa na ari haha. Na riu ngirora njuĩrĩ ya Karungo, rocoke urore ya King'ori, nĩ ũkũmenya mucera na mukundu akundu kagota ki. Nidacokia kiuria kianyua maitu. Koguo mutikanjurie njuĩrĩ ngenja njuĩrĩ ngenja mweri 10 wa kanana 2027 twainukia muthuri ugwitwo Gathogo. Your Excellency, andu aya kieni maranjirire mwihoko wao wa Nyeri ni King'ori ari senator na mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ari president wa Kenya. Na macio na manini, Mungu awabariki na watende mema.